Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haka khatlai terek mentau banai kalalingkot arhajar arpo ke National Commission for Protection of Child Rights ringkat ke Jingpyntreikam bat ke Meghalaya Commission for Protection of Child Rights kila perlong ye ke jelang ban bishar bat lum jingtem Halor ke Jingpyntreikam ye ki skim per ki be dai bat ke ba kamiat jong ki Khynnah hagani ke jela ki skim ki ba la pentre lengba ke health and nutrition hagani ke jelang ningkong layo ye ke jingkren pediang sobha ye kinang wan ye shimenta na ke member secretary jong ke State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Meghalaya ke kong Z lingdo bat layo jingkren na ke senior technical expert jong ke National Commission for Protection of Child Rights ke SK Shah na director jong ke Tnat Social Welfare uba Karmal ki IAS director jong ke Tnat ke Koi Kya kani ke jela Dr. Ewar.
National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, along with the Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, is having one-day state-level review meeting mainly to assess the health and nutrition of children, especially in tea garden area or the tea plantation area, because it's very important to assess whether the workers or the families, who are there in tea plantation area are availing the facilities of midday meal in schools or the supplementary food in Anganwadi centers. Are there Anganwadi centers or not, right? Children are getting the facilities or not. So this is a state level review meeting to assess that. Also parallelly, this will also able to give us a picture about the nutrition and the nourishment and the health of children in the state of Meghalaya. So what is the percentage of stunting? What is the percentage of malnourishment, the undernourishment? So that will also give us a clear picture so that concrete recommendations can come out and that will be given to the state government of Meghalaya and again to the central ministries. And this is also a platform for the convergence because we have the people from different departments. We have the people from social welfare, we have people from health, we have people from education. So this is also an area, this is also a forum where convergence will be established. Yes, so recommendations will be given to the first government of Meghalaya, the state government, and then after that it will be to the central government because ministries who are getting the midday meal for the children, there's a per child entitlement is there. But if the child is undernourished, if the child is also getting the same meal which the other children are getting, so this is something to include in that per child meals also. So that is the major recommendation which will come out and will be given to the central government after that.